Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the Crown Squad by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm always glad you're here. If you want to know more about this baby that I'm wearing, how about you stay tuned? Okay.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
So today's video is going to be on this unit right here, and it's the Neesha 202. But what's different about this is that this year Outre came out with the Neesha gray. So the 201, 202, and the 203, all of them has gray colors, or they're only available in gray colors. Like on the back right there, those are all the gray colors. And if you're not familiar with the Neesha line, this is all of the Neesha line. Look at that, they're fabulous. I think I have done 2 out of 3. I have done 204 and 205, I believe. But in the gray series, I got all of them. So definitely stay tuned for those videos. But the Neesha wigs are supposed to be they come in like a natural texture, a yaki texture. And it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. And it has a pre-plucked HD lace. And what else? It's ear to ear. But yeah, if you definitely check out some Neesha series on YouTube. I love this one. I love it. So I got this from Elevate Style for $32. Okay, so it's snow. Apparently it's snow. Why am I even surprised? It's snow, so they're out there shoveling the snow. So it's like, I hope you guys can't hear it. But anyways, this is what Neesha 202 looks like in the gray color. Oh, so I got it in the color FF Moonstone gray, and this is what she looks like. I like it. I've been liking the gray color so far. It is so nice. Like this. So for cap construction, it comes with 2 combs on the side, one comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And it has this very stretchy mesh material. So I'm gonna put her on and I'll be right back. So this is what she's looking like. Straight out of the box. That's the hairline. Does it look pre-plucked? Not to me. That's what she looks like. It's not bad. The lace is not bad. That's the parting space. And that gray color looking good. It's looking very lovely. I don't know. I mean, with the style, I'm not feeling it. I don't know. Maybe after I style her, she'll be looking, I'll start feeling her. But I'm definitely down for the gray color, that's for sure. So let me see. I'm getting few strands. Gotta do that before I cut the lace. But I'm getting few strands, like very few, which is not bad. It's expected with these synthetic wigs and stuff. Maybe it's the side part, because you guys know I'm a middle part person. I love me a good middle part. Like, I'll rock it any day, anytime. So maybe that's why I'm not feeling her, but I think she's cute. But yeah, I'm gonna go cut the lace and I'll be back.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta gotta be afraid. I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't.
So this is what Neesha 202 looks like. That's her in the stock card, and this is her in the gray series. I tried to put a little bit of baby hair, and that's the parting space, which is not bad. I think I'm liking this. She looks cute, and I didn't even melt her down. Like you can definitely get away with melting her without melting her down. See, and that's the other side, which is not bad. This fit me very nicely with my wig grip on, so she'll be big head associate the least. But yeah, do y'all see that? Like, oh honey, I'm loving her. Like, let me know, are you gonna get her? Are you gonna get her? Like, I mean, I don't like that the part is a little poofy, but you can definitely just put a little bit of heat to it, and voila, I am liking her. Oh yeah, I'm just admiring myself because I look cute. I look cute. Anyways, the texture is very nice. It's yucky. Who doesn't like yucky? I love the curls. I love how it's falling. She is good. I don't know why I don't like I don't like side parts. Like, girl, you need to like side parts more, because you look banging in there, man. I look good in the side part. Middle part ain't got nothing on this. But yeah, like, she is very flowy. I guess this is what I'm gonna look like when I'm old. I'll be fabulous though. Like, do you see this? Anyways, for the price and the construction, I ain't mad at it. I'm not mad at it. For this being my first 202 Neesha, I like it. She looks really nice. I might have to get her in a natural color. Okay, Outre, well done with the Neesha Gray series. I am here for it, okay? I'm definitely here for it. So I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like all around.
Wanna step into the light. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah, come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one.
Oh man, yeah, I like it. Let me know what you think. Are you gonna get enough the Neesha Gray unit? Let me know, and make sure you're following your girl on Instagram at Love Your Crowns. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.